Hi, good morning. Welcome to the SmartDVM training. So today I'm going to be teaching you on how to do a quick setup on your SmartDVM software if you are a first-time user. So without any further delay, let's delve into it. So right now on my screen you can see the dashboard. Sorry, I'm not displaying all my dashboard because I'm using this to train. So what you'll be seeing on the top of your dashboard is the name of the clinic, the email, and also the phone number. You will also see on the right side, you see the profile of the user. Then you will also see on the dashboard, you'll see the greeting, whether it's a good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Then it tells you the name of the person that is logged in. So um, so this is what you have when you are a first-time user. Immediately you get registered on this SmartDVM platform. You will see this pop-up that comes to say, "Welcome to SmartDVM. Let's get started." So the thing is, you want to ensure that you do the right setup in order to be able to use the SmartDVM software effectively. So this you'll be seeing all of this where you say use default diagnosis, use default symptoms, use the default physical examination. So you can decide you want to use each of them. You can click on each of them. It brings the default or the pre-filled diagnosis that has been done by the technical team into the software. Then if you don't want to use it, very fine. Then you can always, you can mark it as complete without clicking on it, because once you click on any of them, it brings the default diagnosis. If you click on use default symptom, it brings it. Then if you don't want to accept it, you can say once you can mark as completed, then or you cancel it to come back to it later. So whichever one you do, it's fine. So once you do that, the next thing for you to do is you go to your settings. The setting is on the menu list. So you see the dashboard, appointment, calendar, clinic, boarding, and other menu. So what you want to do is you click on the other menu. It brings a drop down, and then there you see the system configuration. That's where the settings is. So you click on that settings, and then you go right into the settings to do your setup. So on the settings, you can see what we have. We have the clinical option, you have the inventory option, you have the admin option. So you click on each of them to be able to set it up appropriately. So first, if you, like I said, if you click on that use default symptom, all of these symptoms it will be populated into your symptom. Then you can also add new ones, so also diagnosis and then physical examination. But if you want to add up new ones, all you just need to do is add new. So also diagnosis, if you want to add new diagnosis, you click on add new, and then it adds. Then if you want to see anything you've added into that particular field, you will click on view symptom list. Then it shows you those things you've added already. Okay, let's take for instance, we want to, because, and then on this software, note that you have the pre-filled species and then breed, so you don't have to worry about that. You can always get to add new ones into it, but then on the default, even without you accepting it, it comes with species and then breed. So for instance, if I click on this view species list, you can see that already some that have been added for us. And note that always once you click on some of these things, it opens another tab for you, so you don't get to worry about same. You can always switch between the tabs. So let's say I go back, and then you can add whichever one you had. Let's say we want to see or add new color. Let's say we want to add new color. You can see, because if you add something that's already there, it will reject it, or it will tell you that this thing already exists within. So some of the colors have been added for you already, so you can see, and then you can add new ones. So let's say we want to add one that is new. We have gray. So if gray is not there, I can get to add gray for you to be able to see. So we don't have gray. So let me say I want to add gray. I go back to my tab where I have to add it. So add new color, and so let me add gray. Oh, it's already even bringing it for me. So save color. So once you click on it, So it's on the top, because my screen is not fully shown, you will see successful. So we can go back to the list and see. But if it wasn't added, you'll see that this color already exists. But because it's not there before, you can add it newly and it will tell you successful. You can see that you can always edit, edit or deactivate the color. Then you can also add new from this tab here that I'm showing here. You can add new colors from here. So that's how you get to add each of your settings, and then you populate as much as possible. You can go to inventory. You see what you have in the inventory. You get to add drugs. You get to add the units for drugs. You have the frequency, how often per time. Then you also get to add mode of payment, product category, drug category, the supplier of products or drugs. Then also the product, you can also get to add product itself. Then under admin settings, you have the leave type. You can add the leave type, add the manage department, that's in the various departments within your practice. And you can also get to add different roles. Then on this row, this is where you get to also give permission to individuals. Now for the default, this is what comes with this software. It comes with admin role, which is like the super admin, then the client. So all these two are uneditable because we don't want you to tamper with it. But you can also get to add other roles and then give them permission. Give them permission. Once you add, you can see the permission you have to give them. So you add the role, then you select the permission. If you take this, that means this person will be able to see scheduled patient appointments. And so you get to add all of the permissions that you feel the person is privileged to see. Then you save it, and that is it. So thank you for joining my training today, and hope to see you again next time. Thank you.